So friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing IMVU application not working and why it is not working and what is this solution. So guys, watch this video till end because I am showing in this video why IMVU application is not working. So guys, do like this video and subscribe our channel and watch this video till end. So guys, today IMVU application is not working and its server is down. Yes guys, so guys, many people facing the problem in IMVU application. You can watch this graph, the red line is at up. So guys, many people facing problem in IMVU application. So guys, what is the solution? So guys, you have no need to do something. This problem is automatically solved by IMVU team. Yes guys, IMVU team automatically solve this problem. You have no need to do something. You can only wait for some time. Within a minute, the IMVU application is automatically fix this problem.